In this video, we're diving into the world of convenience and rewards as we explore how to make the most out of your credit card points. From exclusive discounts to exciting redemption options, Faysal Bank has crafted a rewarding experience for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first things first, log into your Faysal Bank account either through their online banking portal or mobile app, wherever you feel more at home. Now, once you're in, navigate to the rewards or points section. This is usually just a click away from your credit card account dashboard. Then go ahead and check out your points balance. It's like your reward currency. Got a good stash? Great. Explore the redemption options available. Faysal Bank spoils you with choices from cashback to travel rewards and merchandise. They've got it covered. Now, want to keep it simple? You can redeem your points at any of their 300 plus retail partners. Just choose where you want to spend those points and just go for it. And here's the cherry on top. Faysal Bank's credit card comes with a discount program. So throughout the year, indulge in up to 50% off at various restaurants across Pakistan. It's like a year-round food festival. So whether you're treating yourself to a shopping spree, planning getaway, or simply enjoying a meal out, your Faysal Bank credit card points have got your back. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.